Another kind of question that can ask you to expand and simplify is one that involves double brackets. Now the easiest way to do this is to use the grid method. So it's a multiplication grid, and my first bracket is an x plus 4, so I write an x and a plus 4. My second bracket is an x and a negative 3, so I write an x and a negative 3. Then need to multiply those out. So in this box I'm doing x times by x, which is x squared. This one I'm doing x times by negative 3, which is negative 3x. For this box I'm doing x times by positive 4, which is positive 4x. Then my final box is positive 4 times by negative 3, which is negative 12. So I've done the expanding part. The next bit is to simplify. So if I write out my 4 answers, I've got x squared plus 4x minus 3x minus 12. I'm looking for any like terms. Well, I've got a plus 4x and I subtract 3x. If I do 4x take away 3x, that gives me 1x. So I can just write an x. It's a positive. But I've also got my x squared and my negative 12, and that's it done. Now, the way in which you can make this more trickier is to involve a number in front of the x. The method is the same, so I draw my grid out. My first bracket, so I've got a 2x and a plus 1, so I write my 2x and my plus 1. My second bracket, I've got a 3x and a minus 5, so I write those out. And I do the same thing again, I multiply out. 3x times by 2x gives me 6x squared. Negative 5 times by 2x gives me negative 10x. 3x times by positive 1 gives me positive 3x. And then negative 5 times positive 1 is negative 5. Again, same method as before. I write out the 4 answers I've just attained. And again, I'm looking for like terms. I've got a plus 3x and I've got a subtract 10x. We'll collect those together. It leaves me with negative 7x. I've still got my 6x squared. I've still got my negative 5. And we're done.